Welcome back to our channel where we empowers you with valuable Excel skills to boost your productivity and efficiency. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the Excel's handy feature, Freeze Panes. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through endless rows or columns of data only to lose track of important headers or label? Well, fret no more. With Freeze Pane, you can keep your headers and important information in view while navigating through the large datasets. Stay tuned as we take you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to effectively use the Freeze Panes option in Excel.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
To apply this, we have to go to the View tab, and under the View tab, we'll go to the Freeze Panes. And in Freeze Panes, we have different options. We have Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row, Freeze First Column. So let's first apply Freeze Top Row. When we apply this Freeze Top Row, you can see that if I navigate the data downward, the first row is stay intact. So I can easily understand the information. So I can now understand the values more easily. Similarly, if I want to scroll to the right or left but also want the employee ID to stay intact and don't want it to lose the track of my information, what I have to do, I will have to go to again View tab, and in Freeze Panes, this time I will select the Freeze First column. When I select the Freeze First column, now you can see that if I scroll to the left, the employee ID is stayed intact. So I will keep track about my information throughout the worksheet. Now again, if I want to unfreeze my panes, I have to go to the view and then select the option Unfreeze Panes. Now your top row and the first column is unfreeze. Now what if the row that you want to freeze is not the first one, it's the second one. In this case, you can see. Now for this purpose, you have to select the name of the first employee and then go to the View tab. Under the Freeze Panes, select Freeze Panes and now scroll down. So you can see that the first two rows are frozen, and similarly if you scroll to the left, the first column is also frozen. Actually, when we apply this option, the cell on the top and the left of the cell we select before applying are frozen. This option is very useful. We apply it on the row and column at the same time, whereas the first methods were not applied both on the same time. And there you have it. You have just learned how to use the Freeze Panes option in Excel. By using the Freeze Pane, you can effortlessly keep headers, labels, and key information visible as you scroll through your data spreadsheet, saving your time and preventing errors. Remember, whether you are working with extensive financial reports, lengthy data tables, or any other type of Excel files, Freeze Pane is a valuable tool to help you organize and maintain context. Don't forget to practice and experiment with Freeze Panes in your own project to fully grasp its benefit. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials and tips. Happy freezing!